Hey, you're here. Hey, thank you, guys. So, why am I in the full suit today? Because now I'm at the Exchange 106 to attend the HUAWEI Watch GT4 launch and also to match with the elegance of the HUAWEI Watch GT4. So, enough talking, let's head to the event space. Wow guys, that was a hell of a launch. It was super lit. The runway models wearing the all-new HUAWEI Watch GT4 walking around. I wish I can be the models though. So now let's head to the experience zone and check it out. So guys, now I'm at the experience zone here to try out the all-new HUAWEI Watch GT4. There's two sizes for it. One is the 41mm and one is the 46mm. For me, of course, I'll be choosing the 46mm. And all four colors are here: grey, brown, black, and this green color here, which is my favorite. Feature an always on display and over 25,000 watch faces, a pro level health management through SIM 5.5 plus vital sign monitoring such as heart rate, sleeping, menstrual cycle, and so forth. It also has up to 2 weeks of battery life. And guys, this one here, the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate Design, Huawei's first Gold Smartwatch. With 18K of gold inlay, titanium gold plating strip, 3D trapezoid patterns, gold world watch face, and more. So it's too valuable for me to hold on to it. I'll leave it there and leave it to the expert. Now we go check other stuff out. Now aside from the watches, they also launched the FreeBuds Pro 3 as well as the Huawei Mate Peppermint Edition. So enough talking, I just got a watch. Let's go do some OOTDs. So guys, that's all for today. And if you want to know more about the all-new HUAWEI Watch GT4, watch our unboxing video. I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!